It's a beautiful day in Visalia, California, and the Martinez team is happy to present our brand new listing.
It's Graceland and Frankie again with Iron Key Real Estate, and today we're in front of 2936 South Edison Street. Super excited to show it to you guys. Come on in, let's take a look. As you enter the property, you are immediately greeted by an open concept living and kitchen, complete with wood laminate flooring, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, not to mention tons of natural light. This split concept floor plan offers 2 secondary bedrooms that are good size and a guest bathroom complete with tile floors and tile counters. On the other side of the home is your secluded master suite. This large bedroom offers tons of natural light with ensuite bathroom complete with soaking tub, standing shower, tile floors, dual sink, and an oversized master closet. This large lot offers tons of space in the backyard. This blank canvas is ready for you to come on in and make it your own. All right, everyone, that concludes our tour today at 2936 South Edison. And if you're watching this video right now, this home's already on the market. Graceland, what are they gonna do?
Call, text, or email our team. We're always standing by. We'd love to hear from you, and we can't wait to connect with you.
Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.